Hi guys, welcome to today's digital SAT math masterclass. And today let's solve problems on data analysis and stats. So the first problem is flashing right on your screen. You can see that, and I'm reading it out. A primary stat data set consists of five initial values, okay, which are 12, 15, 18, 22, and 28. Okay, it's an array of five data points. If an extreme value of 45 is added directly to this data set, how much does the median value of the data set increase? First, we got to know what is the median. Median is the middle value of any data set. So how many values are there? Five values. So what is the middle value? 18. Got? What do? We just put the entire array in an order. Let's say ascending order. So this array is already in an ascending order: 12, 15, 18, 22, 28. Now pick up the middle value, which is 18. So this will be the median. So median, first value of the median is 18 before adding this outlier. Now once we add this number 45, what happens? 12, 15, 18, 22, 28, and 45. What happens? Now the middle value will be found by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will you find the middle value? For even number of data points, the middle value is the average of the two middle numbers, because a single middle value is possible only when you have odd number of data points. When you have even number of data points, two middle values are possible. So your median will be the average of these two values, which in this case is 20. So what they are asking, by how much does the median value of the data set increase? It is increasing by 2. All right, that's a simple question. Let's move on to the next problem, this one. Now, what does it say? It says two independent research groups track the daily test preparation times of students. Group A reports a mean prep time of 6 hours with standard deviation of zero point 0.8, while B group reports an identical mean prep time of 6 hours with a standard deviation of 1.5. Which of the two groups exhibits higher overall data predictability and consistency in their daily test preparation time? So the question is, which of the two groups exhibits over higher data predictability and consistency? If you know what is mean and standard deviation are, the mean for the two groups are the same, but the standard deviation is varying. So what is the standard deviation of group A? That is zero point 0.8. The standard deviation for the second group is 1.5. Now what actually is happening? More the standard deviation, the data is more spread out about the mean position, which means for group B the data is more spread out, means more inconsistent. So a higher standard deviation means the data is more uneven, more spread out, and more inconsistent, right? So which of the groups is giving higher standard deviation? Group B. So B is less predictable, less reliable, and less consistent. So more consistent will be group A with standard deviation of zero point 0.8, because a standard deviation for group A is less than standard deviation for group B. Correct? So A is more consistent and predictable and reliable. So this is how you use the stat terms like mean, median, and other things in real life problems. So this was for today. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, you can comment your doubts and questions, queries, whatever you have in the comment section. And if you want to schedule classes for your paid curriculum, 8 to 12, or any exams like II for SAT exam, AP, IB, you can uh, schedule a class with me, a demo class with me. The contact details are given on the channel. Thank you.